Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the best passive earning method where you can make hundreds of the dollars daily. Let's simply go to the website that I will show you today on where you can get paid by simply clicking on ads, and that website is aticlicks.net. Now you can simply go to aticlicks.net, but very importantly, if you don't watch this video till end, you will not make any money, or even if you make money, your earnings will be stuck inside your account and you cannot cash it out. So it is very important for you to watch all the way until the end to learn all the mistakes to avoid and successfully cash out your earnings. So as you can see here, you can start earning extra cash for all of your online activities. You can do different surveys, you can participate in different contests, you can complete different offers, you can refer other people, or simply you can play games. But more importantly, what I want to show you right now in this video is to focus on visiting websites, which means you can simply click on different websites and click on different ads and you can get paid real money. As you can see here, they are super transparent about their earning on their website. You can see a total payout today is this amount and yesterday is this amount. There are over this many people registered right now on this website, and they can even show you all their previous withdrawals from all the people who are cashing out their money, and they can show their usernames, they can show their country, and also their payment methods. And once again, you can cash out all your earnings in many different ways. And there are few options like you can pay out on PayPal, you can pay out through bank transfer, through Skrill, through Paytime, through Airtime, through cryptocurrency, or perfect money. There are so many ways, there are so many different payment methods which are available worldwide. Make sure you keep watching this video and don't miss it out. But before that, let me show you all the proofs of payment. As you can see here, they will show you all the dates. For example, today and yesterday there are a lot of people already cashing out their money, and now you can see here under the username, and they are basically from different countries. You can see their country here, their country flags are besides their names, and there are so many people from different countries of the world. Here you can earn hundreds, if not thousands of the dollars right here on this website. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, you can go to that, click on this button, register for free, and from there, that is it will bring you to this page. And what you all need to do, just fill this form, type your name, type your email address, and all these. Here you can set your password whatever you want, and you just need to write your birth year, your birthplace, and finally you just have to click on I am not a robot, and you just need to agree with the terms of services and click on this register button now. Now let's come to the point how you can actually earn money from this website. Once you are logged into your account, you can find different daily fixed ads. Simply what you need to do, click on them and start making money. Now you can see there are different types of ads. Here in the bottom, you will see banner ads. You can simply click on any of the banner and another page will open. This is called landing page of this website. When you are on the website of that ad, here is very important thing to note. You simply need to stay at least for 30 seconds here. And during those 30 seconds, you just keep scrolling this page. Scrolling up, scrolling down. Simply during these 30 seconds, you just need to scroll down this page. If that ad website asks you to sign up or to buy something, you just don't need to do that. Simply what you all need to do, just keep scrolling this website up and down. If you don't scroll this website up and down, that will consider you as a robot. And even after spending 30 seconds, you will not get any money and you will not be cashed out. Once you are done with these banner ads, it's now moving to the second way to get paid. That is, click on daily fixed ads. And these are all the ads. You can click on them, and once you have to stay over there for 10 seconds, and for some ads you have to stay there for 30 seconds, and you will get paid. And as you can see here, there are a lot of people that are using exactly the same strategy to make a lot of money. So just let me show you one of the payment proof right here on aticlicks.net. Here you can see people are sharing their payment proofs, and once you will get paid, your payment will be uploaded over here. Let's note down another very important point. Once you complete 5 daily ads, you will be able to unlock their standard ads. As you can see here, standard ads, they are gonna pay you 10 times more money as compared to fixed ad. So at the end of this video, I am going to sum up all the points. What you all need to do, just simply open aticlicks.net, register your account by simply putting your name, your password, your email, your birth year, your birthplace, and filling the captcha. For that, you are not a robot. And after that, you can simply see different types of ads, which are banner ads, fixed ads. You just start clicking on banner ads. Once you complete your banner ads, simply go to fixed ads. Once you complete 5 fixed ads, you will unlock standard ads, and standard ads will pay you more. When you completed all of your ads, simply put your payment method and enjoy earning money online.